This video chart presentation of JBII Inc. JBII is actually an OTCQX listed stock trading under the ticker JBII. It's a nice looking chart. This stock can make some huge moves down here on 79 cents all the way up to over $4. Even in the more near term from around $1 up to $1.75. Set up a definitive resistance point, but it's rolled itself down, got a new support level. It's kind of at a critical point right now to see if this is going to put together a push and challenge that resistance again. Taking a look at these indicators, see a nice uptrend going on with the MACD. But you can also see how tough breaking through that zero line can be. You want to see this uptrend continue. It's got a nice channel going, making higher highs and higher lows. Going to look for it here in the near term, try and break it through zero. Of course, that's a very bullish indication if it does. PPO coming off a loose pinch, but also trending upward. Nice look. ADX is in a very neutral position right now, not getting a whole lot of strength in any direction. MFIs, want to see those hold over top of 50. Nice push. There's some money coming into this play. And you want to see them hold the upper half of that indicator. You can see even through here, nice look going on with the accumulation distribution, continually making higher highs. That's reiterated the Chaikin money flow, which has spent the majority of the time in the green, telling you that buying pressures overcome selling pressure. CCI is breaking a short-term downtrend. Of course, important for it to push through that zero mark. You want to see it get to the bull side of that indicator. Momentum coming into the play according to the full stow. And the tricks, you can see developing an upward channel, which is a very nice thing to see. But you really want to see it make that break through the zero mark. It's in a nice position. Now it's just a matter if it's going to do it or not. Similarly, the RSIs, kind of trending right around a neutral area, but looking like they're trying to go bullish. Important for them to break through 50. Throw a real quick line on here to make a point. See through here, making the move, break through 50. That happened right around that $1.40 mark. Stock continued to push up to $1.75. Lost its momentum, broke back down through 50. And you can see this little short-term downtrend happened. Pull that back off. Point being, breaking through and holding above 50 is a key component. As far as the candles go, really want to see it hold $1.35. The support does drop down a little bit more to $1.30. But I don't want to see this make a new lower low. I want to see it hold that level at worst. Continue to try and push upward. I want to see it get back above this 50-day moving average, which you can see since back here at the beginning part of July. It's been acting as a source of dynamic resistance. Now it's tying in with some static resistance. Right there around $1.50, $1.54 is what the 50 is registering. So I want to see it try and push and hold above that. That's a pretty key component. Break a resistance, break and hold above the 50-day. Charts that are bullish are trading above the 50, certainly trading above the 200. So I'll have my eye on that support level at $1.35 holding. As I just mentioned, first area of resistance I'm going to look for is right there around $1.50 in that 50-day moving average. I certainly expect it to start to pick up, get pretty heavy around $1.75. Hold area of resistance in October. Pretty strong area of support in August and September. I think that's going to be a tough spot for it, but I'd call the major resistance right there around $2. 200-day moving average is right there. It was a definite area of resistance in the past. So while it will pick up some resistance right here around $1.54, it's really going to stiffen at $1.75, and trying to break through that $2 mark is going to be a major breakout point for it. Volume's pretty low on this play, 52,000 shares traded, right about average for it. So I'd be watching for those volume bars to pick up. They don't have to get huge, but I'd rather want to see them get around 200,000 shares traded to show that some momentum is really trying to kick into this play, taking on some buying pressure, see if it's going to blow through some pretty strong resistance points. Pretty nice chart though, all in all. One to keep an eye on at this point. Make sure it holds that support level, and we'll see how it performs if it can challenge the resistance. As always, this is merely my interpretation of the JBII chart. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.